So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a background box to the text automatically on the Premiere Pro. You don't need to add a manual box again. Now, for example, this is the text that I've created right there. Now, if I want to add some background to it, I don't need to create another box. I just simply need to select over there and go to the properties section right there, or just simply go to the effect control section as well. Now here, when you expand this text section, you need to scroll down and you see this option of background. Just simply check it mark and set the opacity to 100%. You can change the color of background box as well. Now for example, if I set it to something like this, I can make it bigger or smaller and round in the edges as well. And now you can see the background has been added to the text automatically. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.